Welcome to the Frasers Cars video walk round for the Toyota Yaris we now have available. This is a 16 plate Toyota Yaris 1.5 XL hybrid CVT automatic 5-door, finished in red. It's one owner from new with full Toyota service history. Last service in June 2020, and it has had a new MOT by ourselves and is ready to drive away today with a 6-month parts and labour warranty, the option to upgrade that to 1 or 2 years. It is free road tax as well. Specification includes alloy wheels, rear parking camera, front LED daytime running lights, front fog lights, keyless start. Being the hybrid, it has the EV mode as well, so it can drive at low speeds in EV mode. Front and rear electric windows, electrically operated door mirrors as well, along with DAB radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, along with USB inputs, automatic headlights and cruise control also feature. Space for 3 in the back as well. It comes with a space saver spare wheel and a 60/40 split fold in the rear seats. And if I just open the passenger door, that's the service stamps for the full Toyota service history that the car has. So it was the 12th of June 2020, it was last serviced at 33,615 miles. So it says just now it's 33,805 miles that the car's covered. So this car's available to view at our Edinburgh branch, which is Frasers Edinburgh. You can find us in 553 Gorgie Road in Edinburgh, postcode is EH113LE. You can also view the car online at www.fraserscars.co.uk, or you can give the sales team a call on 0131 443 2293. So thanks for watching.